What if the universe is not silent, but speaking? Constantly, every vibration, every photon, every atom might be part of a grand conversation, a language written not in words, but in frequencies, geometry, and consciousness itself. For centuries, mystics have whispered about the music of the spheres, while modern physicists describe a universe as a vast field of vibrations. But what if both are describing the same truth? The universe is not a machine. It's alive, conscious, and communicating to the very patterns that hold existence together. We are about to journey into the hidden syntax of reality, the language of the universe, to decode the whispers of cosmic consciousness. Everything around you, light, sound, matter, is information vibrating at different frequencies. Quantum physics tells us that at the deepest level, there are no solid things, only patterns of energy, constantly communicating. Physicist David Bohm called it the implicate order, a hidden layer of reality where everything is connected, a cosmic web of intelligence. Just as letters form words, these quantum patterns form the building blocks of existence. When you think, dream, or feel, you send ripples into this field, small waves that merge with the infinite ocean of universal awareness. We are not separate observers looking at the universe. We are the universe looking at itself, speaking to the very language that created it. Long before telescopes and quantum equations, ancient traditions already understood this cosmic dialogue. Hindu mystics spoke of Aum, the sacred sound of creation, the first vibration from which the cosmos emerged. Egyptian priests used sacred geometry to mirror the order of the heavens. The Dogon tribe of Mali described star systems invisible to the naked eye. Knowledge they claimed was given by the stars themselves. Today, science begins to echo these ideas. From string theory, which suggests that everything is made of tiny vibrating strings, to neuroscience showing our brains synchronized with cosmic rhythms, humanity is rediscovering the universal frequency that links consciousness to the cosmos. Every ancient chant, every spiral galaxy, every human heartbeat beats to the same eternal rhythm. What if your thoughts are not just inside your head, but part of a universal broadcast? Each emotion, joy, fear, love, carries a specific vibrational signature. When aligned with higher frequencies like compassion or gratitude, your consciousness resonates with the creative patterns of the universe. Some researchers suggest our brains act like quantum antennas tuning into infinite possibilities. When you focus thought with intention, you alter the electromagnetic field around you. The universe doesn't respond to words. It responds to frequency. To speak the universe's language is to feel, to resonate, to vibrate in harmony with its truth. Geometry is the universe's visual grammar. From the spirals of galaxies to the chambers of your heart, the same ratios, the golden mean and Fibonacci sequence, govern form and function. These patterns are not random, they're messages. Each circle, triangle, and spiral tells a story of balance, motion, and consciousness unfolding into matter. The ancients built temples using these divine proportions, believing geometry could bridge heaven and earth. And in a sense, they were right. Geometry is how energy becomes structure, how thought becomes form. You are literally built from the same geometric codes that shape the stars. Quantum entanglement reveals a breathtaking truth. Once two particles interact, they remain connected across any distance. Change one, and the other responds instantly. This means that separation is an illusion. Every heartbeat on Earth is linked to the pulse of distant stars. Every act of kindness reverberates through the web of existence. The universe is not a machine. It's a conversation, and consciousness is its voice. When you look at the stars are looking back through you. You are both the message and the messenger. So, how do we begin to speak this universal language? Through awareness. When you quiet the mind and listen, you begin to perceive subtle patterns, the coincidences, the synchronicities, the intuitive nudges that seem to guide your life. They're not random. They're the universe replying in symbols, signs, and energy. Meditation, sacred music, and mindful presence are ways of tuning your inner frequency to the universal wavelength. Like a musician learning to play in tune, the more aligned you are, the clearer the cosmic song becomes. The universe doesn't shout, it whispers. To hear it, you must silence the noise of the world and awaken the silence within. At the deepest level, You are not in the universe. The universe is in you. Your consciousness is a fragment of the cosmic mind, expressing itself through human experience. You are the microcosm of the macrocosm, the spark of infinite intelligence exploring itself through awareness. When you speak to the universe, you are speaking to yourself. When you love, you expand the cosmos. When you create, you continue the first act of creation. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought is part of this endless dialogue, an eternal love story between consciousness and creation. The universe is not outside of you. It's the echo of your own awareness. It speaks in light, in vibration, in synchronicity, in dreams. And when you learn to listen, you realize the truth whispered across time. You are the language the universe speaks. You are the frequency of creation itself. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not staring into emptiness. You're looking into the mirror of your own consciousness, and the cosmos is whispering back, "Welcome home."